Understanding your body as you age should feel empowering. Menopause is diagnosed. It occurs because estrogen levels drop. In the UK, the average age is this varies globally.
Hello. Really, average age of menopause is changing according to the country, according to the race. For example, in UK, the average age of menopause is 51, while in Africa, average age of menopause is 49. Let us decode the changes which will happen during this period. Really a unique journey for each lady. Some ladies experience some hot flushes, some hot brain fog, some joint pain changes. Really, a diagnosis is menopause is a cessation of period for 12 months, and if like this, even no, not necessary to do an examination.
The transition phase leading up to menopause is called perimenopause. As estrogen levels fluctuate, around half of all women experience physical or emotional changes. Common symptoms include
So how we will manage this symptom. The first line is a moderation of your lifestyle, weight control, regular being exercise, healthy nutrition, as a stop smoking, cessation of smoking, alcohol. If drink a lot, enough amount of water, it's very important step. There is non-hormonal alternatives we will discuss in a separate video, and there is a hormone replacement therapy. Really, it's an individualized step. You have not to be alone. You have to be with your healthcare provider, and you have to be under medical supervision. If I how I know that I need medical advice or no, you can find in the description box a 2-minute pre-quiz. You will make a yes or no answering 10 questions. Finally, the score will guide you to the next step. You can find the link in the description box. And when your decision, you will go to healthcare provider. There is important questions you have to ask to your healthcare provider. First question: what are my treatment options? You have to discuss the treatment option, and how do I get support to make the right choice, and what are the pros and cons of each option for me. It's very important step, and you have to be clearly communicating with your healthcare provider.
regular aerobic exercise, like walking, swimming, or running, along with weight-bearing activities, helps protect your bone strength. Cutting back on caffeine, alcohol, and when you visit your healthcare professional, take these 3 key questions with you. What are my treatment options? Option for me. Your journey is unique. Ask questions, get informed.
Deep dive in this important midlife journey, you can find the link of the ebook. It will navigate with you to the regular period and night sweats, and decode the changes happen in your body. We will demystify your hormones. You can find important explanation of the hormone replacement therapy methods versus facts, and intimacy and daily wellness, and master the red flag checklist. Is very important ebook. You find the link in the description, and you can go to the website as well. Find an important blog about this menopause period. And next video we will discuss the non-hormonal alternative. Important video. Follow and subscribe for more useful information, and see you.